Friday ngayon. Yan, try namin tagal kami din nakapag-Friday. So, kakain kami dito sa restaurant dito sa Mayclear. Pa dalawang beses na kami kumain dito. So, masarap kasi yung pagkain. Kaya sila nakapila na. So, yan. Nandito na kami sa loob ng isang Chinese restaurant. So, matagal na kami hindi nakakapag-Friday mag-anak. So, yan. After working, pinuha nila ako sa trabaho. Kumain dito sa labas. Nandito si Alvin, si Manang Pe, at saka si Alistair. Ayan yung kanilang menu. Pipili tayo mamaya ng pwedeng kainin. Pero mas prepared namin yung steam na isda. Yung dalawang naghihintay ng pagkain, mga gutom na yan, mga yan. Siyempre, kami din. Yan, dumating na yung order namin na beef fry. Pag siyempre, noodles yan. Oops, tuwan-tuwa na. Oh. Okay, you can start eating na. Yan. Okay, yan na yung order namin na Peking duck, pancit. Sour pork and beef fry. Tapos merong fried rice. Yan. This is nakabal. Yan. Eating time na. Yan. Sata silang kumain ng fried rice. Yan. Alvin, waiting for the ano?
I'm just waiting for the rice.
Yung ating, meron pa tayong fish. So yan, yung ating chicken feet. Pancit. Tapos meron pang gulay yan. Alvin is happy and Alistair. Yan, dumating na yung ating steamed fish. Thank you. Ano masasabi mo Manang sa pagkain?
That is good.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Yeah.
Some rice, please. Yeah, it's pretty good. This rice, please.
You tried the, Alistair, the duck, right?
Yes.
How was it? Good?
Yeah, it's a bit rougher. It's rougher than chicken. Chicken is a lot more smoother.
Oh, yeah. How was the food, Alistair?
Sarap.
Sarap?
Yes.
Alvin,
Good.
nakain mo kanin?
Fish.
Oh, fish. Fish is good, right?
This is good. You know that.
Also,
I don't know, pero na ang fish. Tapos na, pero marami kami tira. So, take out namin yan later. Okay, ito yung aming tirang ulam. So, yan, may pambaon. May pagkain kami bukas sa bahay. Hindi namin naubos. Tapos meron pa kaming duck. Yan. So, everybody's full, Alistair?
yes, we are.
Alvin? Mama? Look at Alvin's hair.
I just took off my hat.
Hello. Magandang araw, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Mapagpalang araw po. Ngayon may bago tayong vlog na gagawin na nakita namin kanina na namasyal kami mag-anak. So, yan. Ibang klaseng vlog naman to. Anong tawag doon? Taster vlog? Tasting vlog or whatever.
Just trying.
Trying different kinds of chips from the other countries. Yeah. Nakita namin siya kanina sa isang shop dito sa Calgary. Yan, ito yung ating mga taga-tikim. Yan, nandiyan siyempre si Mrs. Yan siya. Oh, may hawak na siyang Dubai chocolate. Yeah, Dubai chocolate. They said, sabi nila dito is all the ingredients are from Dubai, but they made it here in Canada. And of course, the kids, my twins.
It's
Our twins.
viral
Okay.
chocolate.
So ito yung aming nakita na iba-ibang klaseng chips. So mag-start tayo dito sa, actually, lahat sila ay Lay's, right?
Yeah,
Most of them.
This one is Lay's
From China.
from China.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is Lay's from China. Yan.
I think these are from
These
Vietnam.
are from Vietnam. Different kinds of Lay's. Yeah, from Vietnam. What flavor is this? I cannot.
I need to see first.
Yeah, what flavor? What flavor is that?
Texas something steak.
tenderloin steak.
Texas tenderloin steak,
And
but
this
it's
one
from Vietnam, right?
Yes, it is from Vietnam.
And that one is from
I think chicken wings. Barbecue chicken wings.
barbecue chicken wings, but from China, right?
Yeah.
And the next one
Ito naman
is
is barbecue Brazil. Brazil barbecue pork ribs.
from
From Vietnam.
Vietnam also. And of course, this is the Dubai chocolate. And that one is
From Vietnam also, but it's like sushi
sushi flavor.
flavor,
Okay.
seaweed.
And
this
that one is
from China, and this one is like what?
Italian red
Italian
meat
red
flavor.
meat
Yan.
flavor.
Italian meat flavor, yan.
Diba? Iba-iba.
Iba-ibang klase ng chips. So ngayon,
So, try.
titikman na natin. Okay? Ito yung ating mga taster.
Can we just try the
Dubai chocolate first?
chocolate? Dubai.
No, talaga nanggigigil sa
Why
Dubai
you're
chocolate.
hiding it?
Open it. Open it. Oh, show it to
Ah, no. Hey, you gotta show it. You gotta show it.
Ooh.
That's so small. You want me to eat
Open it. Okay, so yan, binubuksan na ni Aldwin ang Dubai chocolate daw. Kung anong,
That's why I
Parang
give you
lasa.
the seafood.
No, I can do it. There you go. There you go.
Just one piece.
Okay.
just take one piece.
Okay, I'll just take one bite.
No,
No,
one piece.
No. Do not take one bite.
You said one bite. Why you get two bites? Paggulang ka, ha?
Show it.
So, how was it?
What can you eat? Look.
Very chocolatey. Oh.
Oh, there's a pistachio inside. I think,
Pistachio.
Okay, taste it on me.
Let's taste. This is the viral chocolate from Dubai, which is ngayon ko lang natikman. Matagal na tong viral eh. Let's taste it and see what is the flavor.
Honestly, I didn't get a lot of pistachio from it. Yeah, that's interesting.
how was it?
Not bad.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, yan. Kailangan na daw tikman nila ngayon. Itong Brazil barbecue pork rib. But still made in Vietnam, right?
Yes.
Okay, taste it now. All of you, taste it.
And react.
Yes.
And tell me what's the taste.
Just like pork and barbecue. Yeah. It tastes like barbecue from Canada. Regular barbecue. Right?
It's like a regular barbecue
Yeah.
flavor.
It has more pork. Yeah, it's good. It's just
more pork.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's just like it's like barbecue, but a lot less.
No, it has more pork in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of like barbecue though,
I think it's good.
and it's a bit spicy.
Oh, what about the other? What flavor is that, naman?
This is Texas tenderloin steak.
Can I see the packaging?
It's a bit spicy too.
It's Texas tenderloin steak from Vietnam also, right?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
Maybe this could be spicy also. But it's delicious naman. Try again.
Yeah.
Oh, spicy.
Yeah, you can.
How is it? Spicy? Not bad.
Not spicy at all.
Let's try.
Whoa, that's good.
Ay, masarap.
You can.
Delicious.
Yeah, I like it.
Delicious.
Sarap siya. What about the other one?
China.
It's made in China.
It's I think chicken wings.
It's chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings flavor.
Okay.
Okay, let me try that.
Yan, so ito ang titikman daw nila ngayon ay itong chicken wings flavor from made in China. So yan, tingnan nyo nga kung anong
Okay.
lasa. Is it spicy?
Yeah, it's pretty spicy.
Delicious.
This is the spiciest.
But this one,
Which one do you like?
About
I like this one.
Oh yeah.
What flavor is that?
That's the
It's a Brazilian.
Texas tenderloins.
I think it's Texas tender.
yeah, I
Yeah.
like that too.
The one, Texas
Yes.
tenderloins.
Yeah.
Made in
I think Vietnam.
Vietnam, right?
I like this too. And next,
Which one's the next?
I think I like this better than this.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. So, yan. So, ito na yung ating different kinds of vlog naman ngayon. Iba-ibang klase ng chips na nakita
we are all
namin.
like the
Nakita namin sa isang shop dito sa Calgary. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Eating chips, different kinds of chips. Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I
Okay.
like the one better.
Oh, the Brazilian
I
flavor.
love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.